po sa inyo guys. So ngayong araw na to is i-review ko na ito at experience nitong pocket wifi na to na smart. At yung model niya is MF971RS from sa Smart Bro pocket wifi with LTE advanced capability. So ito is na-experience ko na to siya paggamit around 3 weeks na. So it almost na 1 month. So sa paggamit ko is nakadepende din sa inyong area. Firstly, yung area na kinokonekta sa within sa inyong area connected with network or cell tower. Ito po is konektado siya with 2 carrier aggregation. Kita nyo naman mayroon siyang LTE advanced. Is kaya niya i-connect niya ang dalawang frequency at the same time. Sabay po sila. Purpose na mayroon siyang dalawang connection or itawag natin na frequency is i-combine niya ang speed. Kung example si band 3 is 1 Mbps or example 5 or 10. So example paano lang 10 Mbps si band 3 and si band 1 is 10 Mbps. So total of 20. So it might be possible na nakadepende din ang internet speed as well. Gamit ko over 3 weeks na. Okay naman siya. Mayroon kung nakikitang downside sa kanya is mayroon kang makikiconnect na more than 5 connection or 5 devices is not applicable talaga siya guys. So it's not really good to connect with 5 devices with this kind of devices. Kasi why guys? Why? Is it because it will be going to overheat quickly in few minutes? So we're just going to avoid this kind of pocket wifi na mag-overheat. So you must much better na i-limit yung mga magko-connect. So is either i-recommend kong na connect ng mga devices around only 2 devices lang. Okay na? 2 devices. So at least kontrolad, at least pwede na siya maka-access yung sabay-sabay na, hindi na yung maglalag. So kasi dalawa lang yung connection at matagal din malubat, around 2 to 3 hours mahigit. Pwede naman itong i-configure dito. Meron siyang 1923 sa web portal 192.168.1.1. So you can customize it, the settings, any kind of Wi-Fi, any kind of settings that you like. And also you can also to configure all of the sort of things. Ito guys, ang good news naman itong battery compartment na to is naka-built-in ito ng 2000 mAh. So kung mayroon kayong ideya na pwede niyo ito i-upgrade, you can also to check to the Shopee, and you can also buy some battery, this stuff, parts of the battery here that based on indicate on the model. So you can also to upgrade, you can ability to upgrade this battery as well for expanding more a lot of time. So yeah, it's a very nice too. For connection of Wi-Fi, you can access also 2.4 GHz, that is the standard one, and also you can also configure 5 GHz. Yes, this kind of pocket Wi-Fi thing are totally enabled with 5 GHz. You can also configure it. So it's nice. Another like from this kind of pocket Wi-Fi. And also guys, I already buy this pocket Wi-Fi for my vlog purposes or live. If I'm going to travel or going to province, you must have like this, because if you don't have like this, It's so very difficult, guys. You can find some piece of Wi-Fi everywhere if there's having if there has available, but if you have going elsewhere or other, they have a connection, but they are not available possible piece of Wi-Fi in your surroundings. It's so very freaking hard to find it. So you must have like this, and also if you have like this kind of pocket Wi-Fi, you must have also a power bank. Like yes, you must also have a more than 20 milliamp hour or 4 to 50 something like that. So it might be going to expand more a lot of hours you can use it. Yeah, it's a very nice tool. And I also buy this kind of pocket Wi-Fi. By the way, this is not a brand new from Smart. This is a second hand. Yes, guys, this is second hand, and I already buy this on the Shopee around 700 pesos. Yeah, that is 700 for this kind of pocket Wi-Fi. And a good thing is the seller is she are already checking all kinds of the what's inside. So yeah, it's already double checked when going to packing some and going to save and then going to the purchases or clients or customers. And this is not a brand new, guys. I told you guys this is not a brand new, just a second hand or third hand, I guess. And this pocket Wi-Fi is not, when I open this pocket Wi-Fi, this is not open line or not unlock SIM card. This is only based on the smart. That is the smart pocket Wi-Fi. Only compatible with the network is smart. Yeah, that is freaking really true, guys. Yeah, and I already unlocked this even 2 days ago. Yeah, I already unlocked this there around. So I already paid here for 300. Yeah, 300 pesos for unlocking services via remote access with my uh, computer connect with this. And yeah, it really helps more a lot because you can you can also to manual it, like changing some brand, not band, something like that. I can able to change the band frequency also, and I can change also some just like other hiding settings on it, no problem. So yeah, it really helps a lot. And also the speed are so very decent and very nice. Yeah, if you are using Globe, yeah, as you can see, it's not totally fastest yet. Yeah, but in the speed are very decent, so it's all okay. I accepted that. If you can, but I already recommend you guys is best, fast and more reliable. I prefer you is Smart or Dito. Yeah, so Smart is very more a lot of covered part on the Philippines. Whole of the Philippines are covered already, but Dito are, it's also very fast, but not totally covered. So some areas are covered, some areas are not totally covered as well. So yeah, but it really helps this kind of tech than nothing, right? Like before, I'm just using in my phone, like using data. But yeah, I already worry the heatness because the overheat, it's always there. Yes, guys. Then yeah, I'm just curious. What is the another Wi-Fi, just using for internet connection with this, so that the smartphone will be not I will not going to worry the overheat because this kind pocket Wi-Fi will be going to using here, and also it will be overheat too, but not too much. And yeah, it's really really useful in my blog and uploading and any kind of uh, internet activity, Internet of Things, IoT. Okay, so I hope this my I think that that is all of it, guys. So I'm just wanna share with my experience with this pocket Wi-Fi, very affordable. And thank you again, Luis Vlogging. Sign off. Yeah, thank you for watching. And by the way guys, bago ko i-end this yung content ko is yun, kung na-curious kayo kung ano ito, by the way, hindi ito sira. Hindi ito sira guys. Pinamodify ko lang yung antenna niya. Naka-sticker antenna siya doon. So konektado siya dito sa 4G antenna. Just for improving purposes, no? Para ma-improve yung connection. Kung saan ako pupunta na sa mga malalayo like mga bukid or province, yun, so ito ang pagsisilbihan na ito ang connect sa tower. Mini sticker lang siya na antenna galing sa ibang phone. Pinagpangahuyan ko lang siya, kinuha ko lang yung resources at yun, yun nakalagay na dito at totally works naman siya at mayroon din siyang signal. Wait, yun, goods na rin. At yun, kung makirious kayo na bakit mayroong gumo, ito ay open line na to. It is yun, okay na siya at gamit na gamit. Kahit anong SIM card na gusto ko is pwede ko na siyang lagyan. Yun lang po.